Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 117. Please send a messenger to the passenger office and ask if there is any danger of the train being late at Macclesfield. Full stop. The present emergency has arisen through the death of the man in charge of the post office, and the abandonment of the stranger's claim might bring about the very contingency we are striving to avoid. Full stop. We had the same emergency on the appointment of the postmaster 3 years ago, and the entertainment then arranged had to be abandoned because it was felt that it would be dangerous to proceed. Full stop. The abandonment caused disappointment, of course, but contentment followed enlightenment as to the cause, and eventually the attainment of the original object was secured. Full stop. The demonstration against the administration of the local funds was, in our opinion, a monstrous mistake, and we shall remonstrate as vigorously as we can. Full stop. The monstrosity in the shape of an effigy of the chairman of the administrative committee was of the most objectionable nature, and only served to demonstrate the poor taste of those who designed it. Full stop. I should have write a long manuscript if I desired to express my resentment properly, and even then my remonstrance would not be too strong. Full stop. I should like to assist in the administration of personal punishment upon the men at the head of this monstrous business. Full stop. It is pleasant to know that no one from the ministry was concerned in the matter. Full stop. As to the architect's project for the alteration of the club premises, I rather suspect that his idea of architectural possibilities is imperfect and incorrect. Full stop. With great respect to him, because of the imperfection of my acquaintance with architecture, I respectfully suggest that he should take counsel with someone whose architectural ability would entitle him to express an opinion. Full stop. I quite expect the architect will consider me disrespectful, and I am upset at the prospect of a disagreement with him. Full stop. My object is to secure an inspection of the premises as they are, comma, and I believe that unexpected and, comma, indeed, comma, unsuspended possibilities may develop as a result. Full stop. There can be no disrespect in suggesting that a retrospective view of the case, comma, so as to secure a proper perspective, comma, should be undertaken. Full stop. This is exactly what I suggested some time ago, comma, but it was considered an interference with the administration, comma, and no steps were taken. Full stop.